Hey everyone, we wanted to give you an idea of how long it actually takes to board the Sky Princess in Fort Lauderdale. We just got off the Explora 1 in Miami, and their check-in time was our fastest ever. It was under 5 minutes. And just before that, we were on Norwegian Joy with the slowest check-in at almost 3 hours. So, how long did it take to board the Sky Princess in Fort Lauderdale? Stay tuned to find out. So what is the difference between boarding one ship to another? So far, we've been here just for a couple of minutes and the line seems to be moving quite efficiently. Again, we're on the Sky Princess this week on our way to Norwegian Aqua. Okay, so we're going to do a little experiment here. We're going to look at the time, which is now 12:11. I do have to say the worst part about getting here is that it took an hour to get from the airport parking to here and then taking the Uber. The traffic was brutal. But anyway, we're going to time to see how long this one takes. Obviously on the Explora, it took 14 minutes. On Norwegian Joy, it took 2.5 hours. So we'll see we're boarding the Sky Princess today. We'll see, probably going to be about 45 minutes. So we are now at 12:36. It's been 24 minutes and we're still outside. So if you're ever boarding the cruise in Fort Lauderdale, just be sure to just account for the fact that you may be standing in a long line outside. But we will be going inside soon and then we can see how long it takes. Okay, we finally made it through security. That only took in total half an hour. So now we are just about to do the check-in line. We'll see how long that takes. Okay, that was 45 minutes exactly. You can see my watch, 1:06. We're here at the boarding on Sky Princess. So very quickly, you can see now we are in our stateroom and we've already checked in. We've done the muster station. We've watched the safety video and it is 1:29 and we're ready to go for lunch. But a couple of things that I wanted to note were things like the medallion. So a lot of people get their medallions shipped to them beforehand. In our case, because we travel from ship to ship, it's really impossible to have a medallion shipped to us. So we end up in the slower lane. So even though it was 45 minutes, we were in the slower lane. But I think in contrast to some of the other ships that we've been boarding recently, that 45 minutes is pretty acceptable. So please stay tuned. We're going to be giving you a beautiful tour of this mini suite on Sky Princess. Thanks for watching.